Hi guys, Serena here with Bob's Red Mill, and today we are making gluten-free graham crackers. This recipe came about because I really wanted s'mores. I'm not gonna lie, this had nothing to do with my family wanting any kind of treat. I really wanted to enjoy s'mores, and so this is a really simple recipe. We're gonna make it in our food processor, put it in the freezer for a little bit to let it chill, and then we're gonna roll it out, which after you freeze it, makes it really easy. And then we're gonna sprinkle it with a little sugar, cut it, and then bake it off, and then we can enjoy some s'mores. So in this bowl, I have my gluten-free 1-to-1 flour, so I'm gonna pour this in, and it is going to go everywhere, I am sure of it. It did not. There you go. And now we're gonna add some sugar. This is a little bit of cane sugar, just to make it sweet. And then this is my leavener, so it's baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt just to brighten up the flavors. And let's see. We're gonna blend this. It's easy. And then we will add our butter. This is cold butter. This will just help it. Hey, this is gonna fall. We're gonna add some butter to this. This is similar to making a pie crust. And we're going to blend this just a little bit to get kind of the pebbles shape in there. A little bit of egg whites. I like to use egg whites in my gluten-free baking simply because it keeps things from being so heavy. The egg yolks tend to make things a little heavier, and because the gluten-free flours are a little heavier to begin with, the egg whites just seem to kind of make things lift a little bit. And this is honey. You can also use molasses, which is really nice in this recipe too, if you want a darker graham cracker. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're there. And I'm gonna place it in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and that's perfect while my oven preheats. And then we will get back to it. I'm just gonna move this over, grab that, and I will cut it into graham cracker strips. And you can do this however you want to. There's no set size. And I like the imperfect ones on the sides because those are my treats. Shh, don't tell anybody. Take a little bit of sugar. Sprinkle that over the top. The fork, just so I get that graham cracker look. All right, I'm gonna place these in the oven and they will be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes.